My name is John Harris. I'm a senior counsel here at Bond in New York City. And during today's webinar, we had a great discussion of various topics. I spoke about the proposed regulations that were recently issued by the IRS concerning the use of forfeiture in employee benefit plans. We've discussed the types of forfeitures that can occur in employee benefit plans, such as the forfeiture of unvested employer contributions if an employee terminates their employment without cause, and the current uses of those forfeitures by plan administrators. Under current law, a plan can use those forfeitures in a defined benefit plan to reduce employer contributions or pay administrative expenses. For a defined contribution plan like a 401k or one of those types of funds, the usage of forfeitures is a little bit more murky, and we get into this during the webinar about what you can use with those forfeitures right now, which includes a vague standard issued by the IRS to apply those forfeitures in a defined contribution plan for only pursuant to a defined formula, without really giving an example of what that encompasses. The proposed regulations, though, as we discuss in this webinar today, adjust that standard for defined contribution plans, and specifically says that defined contribution plans can use forfeitures to pay administrative expenses, reduce employer contributions, and also increase benefits to participants. And the impact of these regulations on your plan, they can cause you to adjust your plan documents, to amend them to reflect that these forfeitures can be used for the prescribed permitted purposes under these proposed regulations. And finally, there's a rule that's being issued that the forfeitures have to be used within 12 months now. So any plan that currently has been depositing their benefit forfeitures into a separate bank account year over year, you have to stop doing that. And we get into that during the webinar. We here at Bond are here to answer any of your questions on plan forfeitures, employee benefits, or any of your labor employment matters.